Good morning. Just show me once how to use equations with Excel. Are you ready for a little bit deeper? All right, here we go. So let me take you into this spreadsheet. This is just a dummy spreadsheet, but it does a lot of things that I use all the time, and you could use perhaps a little different application depending on what your world is and what you do. But what I've got here is I have a lot of prices in this spreadsheet. And what I'm going to show you is how I utilize those equations in a spreadsheet that I might send to one of my clients. So just to give you a little idea, this is one of my clients' mom and pop stores. Of course, I've made it up for security and privacy reasons, but mom and pop stores is going to be doing a deduction for their employees. And not to get too deep into the weeds, but they've got a pre-tax and an after-tax deduction. And so we got to figure out what their weekly deduction is going to be. And then they pay a bill either every 4 weeks or every 5 weeks. And all these numbers over here to the right are how much things cost. And we'll use this one first of all. So this particular person, it's $6.27 a week. So how do I use those equations to make my life easier? Well, first of all, I've got an equation over here that shows that this, and by clicking in here, it's going to highlight what it's adding, but it's adding all these boxes together. And so if this particular client had some of these other policies, then it would add to my $6.27. Now I'm going to click up here and hit enter. And so it's showing a pre-tax deduction of $6.27 because it's added, you see all my little addition signs in between all of these columns, because it's adding J and technically skipping K, but M, N, K, oh, I guess it's just out of order, sorry. But anyway, it's adding all of those together and giving me my total. So that's very handy. And then, so this one, this is a weekly total of E through F. So E through F. So if they did have an after-tax deduction, it would actually grab that and show me what the weekly total is for all of their policies. But now the person who pays the bill has to figure out, well, does this match my bill, depending on whether I get a bill every 4 weeks or every 5 weeks? Because of course there's a few months in the year that have 5 weeks in the month. And so let's click here, and this is showing me that it's column G, row 8, excuse me, which is here, times 4. Do you see my little asterisk, times 4? And so that's going to take my 627 and multiply it by 4. And then over this one, it multiplies it by 5. So it's still G, 8, times 5. So they can check their billing to make sure that matches up. Sorry, I didn't mean to roll out. Now, that is super helpful because if they, for instance, add something, and we're just going to say $3 of life insurance, suddenly, did you see what happened? It changed my equation over here, added $3 to it. It added $3 to this column. It obviously multiplied by 4, so added $12 to this one, and multiplied by 5, so it added $15 to this one. And it all did it automatically because my equations are in place. That's pretty cool and pretty helpful. So thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and we'll take you further in that spreadsheet because there's some other things that can make your life so much easier. Have a great day. Bye-bye.